Rule 167. Every new troop member must climb a catinator or be ousted from the Wildcats. Think you've got the paws for the job?
Piece of hake.
Watch and learn, mutt.
Note to self. Stop biting your nails.
Come on, let's set up the tent.
But if I don't climb the catinators, I'm out of the Wildcats.
You'll get your chance later, Flix. Basics first. I need my assistant.
Wildcat assistant at the ready.
Hold this pole, would you, son?
Holding a pole. My specialty. This doesn't... Ah! It was him!
Maybe Wildcats isn't for you. We can go home, watch a movie.
No, I'm the ultimate outdoor cat. I can do it. You'll see. Fish cakes! I've lost the scent back to camp. Dad? Dad? Anyone? Oh!
Oh, Flix. I looked everywhere. Where did you go?
I followed my nose.
I was worried, Flix. I'm just glad you're okay.
All Wildcats to the catinators. Repeat. Can all Wildcats make their way to the catinators?
Time to find out if Wildcats is really for me or not.
The fastest cat to climb their tree will receive a Wildcats Wilderness badge. Ready?
It's the catinator, not the doginator.
The doginator? Yeah, I'm a dog. I need to be a wildcat, the dog way. I'm dog of the world!
Oh, rats! Not again!
Wow, my son the Wildcat.
Whoa, Flix, well done!
Awesome!
Way to go, Flix!
You climbed a crummy tree. So what? You'll never be the ultimate outdoor cat.
Give me the ultimate challenge then.